This is a duck. Look at its neck and legs. They are not long.
Duck. Look. Neck. Legs. They. Not. Long.
Ducks have down. They rub their down again and again with their bills.
Ducks. Down. They. Rub. Down. Again. And again. Their. Bills.
Ducks are quick. They know how to go. They can do it well.
Ducks. Quick. They. Know. Well.
Look at the duck's quills. A duck can go up, up, up.
Look. Ducks. Quills. Go. Up, up, up.
Ducks like the sun. They will go to it. They will not quit.
Ducks. Sun. They. Will. Go. Not. Quit.
Now you know all about ducks. But can you quack like one?
You. Know. All. About. But. Quack.
Okay, so nice phonic stories. Now you should check out our products. Out of these 5, this color flashcards is completely for free. Very soon it will be the paid one. You should download at the earliest. And we have 4 more products: action verbs, alphabets, flashcards, community helpers, and farm animals. Okay, so the links will be there in the description box. Please like and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.